Good morning viewer, welcome in the class of creating groups in Tableau. So Tableau grouping is a process of merging or combining two or more values for the purpose of further analysis. For this video I am going to use a dataset called as MBA student dataset. This is a URL, this is a tiny URL. You can also mail me to get this data. This data is having 1402 unique records. Out of 1402 unique students, 1914 are placed in 127 unique companies. Average package is 4.39, lowest goes to 2.16, highest goes to 8.5. The students belong to 29 states and they all from the country India. They are from the 10 different kind of MBA programs. So I want to create a group like this where I want to divide the entire students into a different groups where I want to show their placement percentage. So I want to do a grouping like this. This is a North India. I want to include those states under North India. These are the states under North India: Haryana, Himachal, Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand. West India, Goa, Gujarat, Maharashtra. East India, Bihar, West Bengal, Odisha, Jharkhand. South India, Karnataka, Andhra, Tamil, Kerala, Telangana. Central India, MP and Chhattisgarh. North India, these are the states. So let's demonstrate. This is a kind of the video, the grouping I want to do. Let me to showcase you the data also. So this is a data, MBA student data. In the meanwhile, I am also opening the Tableau file and connecting this data to the Tableau. So I will show you the data and then say how these states could be grouped into a different, could be grouped together based upon the regions. Okay, so let me to in the meanwhile connect this data to Tableau. This is file is here under videos, datasets, MBA student data. Okay, in the meanwhile it is being loaded to this. So this is the data. I have the registration number, name, date of birth, city, state, country, gender, program 10-12 graduation percentage, specialization area, placement company name and package. Out of 1402 unique students, I have a placement is only 914. Those who are placed, the name of company is written here. Those who are not placed, the name of company is not written here. Okay, so 1914 are placed. Even if I look at this package, so only those who are placed, package is given for them. Those who are not placed, package is not given for those cases. So this is a new file. I already have loaded the data. I have added this data, drag this worksheet to this place. Now I have this data with me. I want to create a group. If I want to go a sheet, I say state. I put the state to this place. So I am getting a problem. There is a 30 unknown. Reason being, I need to edit location. I picked up the data from India. By default, it comes as a United States. I want to make it India. So okay, no issue. You define the country as India. So once you go to India, you find all these nuns will go away and you will get this fine map of the India. Fine. So if I convert this into a field map, this becomes your field map. I don't have a placement percentage. I said I want to show in my data the placement percentage. For this I need to create a field, create calculated field. I say placement percentage. Okay, the formula for this could be count of placement company name divided by count of name total multiply by 100. So I get the in percentage. Okay, so I find there is a one more field added here, percentage. If I put to a label mark, I get for each state, but I don't want this kind of a data, rather I want to group them. So these are the different states, I want to group them. The grouping could be done in number of ways. Let me to show you. The one is, you just click at state, this point there is a create, you can say create group. I could create group. I know in my North India my states are falling something like Haryana, Himachal. I am just control and clicking on this J&K, then is your Punjab, Rajasthan. I can add a state later on also. I can create a group. Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh. I click them. I click at this icon, group. I name this as North India. Okay. Once I click there, I find there is a one more icon is here. This is a one more field been added here, state group. So if I look at this now, so if I remove this state, instead of this, if I am using this state here, so fine, entire North is now a one state. Even if I am put to the coloring, so it's a better visualization. Entire North has been divided into a one group. I can still edit this group. Right click, edit group. Now I want to combine other states. So this is, I said, under Northeast. Okay, what are the states I want to add into a Northeast? Arunachal is Northeast. Okay, I can pick more. Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland. I'll show you how to add more also. Deliberately I am not adding all. Tripura. Okay, I am just saying group. I said Northeast, North East, Northeast India. Okay, fine. I find still this Assam has not been. I forget to add Assam. I want to add Assam. Just go to your group, this place, edit group. Assam could also be added here. You pick a Assam, just drop it under here. Done. Apply. So now you find this Northeast is a one block. Similarly, now I want to add South, Karnataka, Andhra, Tamil, Kerala, Telangana. Okay. Group, edit group. This is, I said, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh. Next is a Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Kerala. Right click, group. I want to make it South India. Done. Group. This South India is a group. North India, I can minimize this groups also the size. North India. Now I want to add further groups also. East India, Bihar, West Bengal, Odisha, Jharkhand. Bihar, West Bengal, Odisha, Jharkhand. Click them, group them, East India. Okay. After this, West India, Goa, Gujarat, Maharashtra. I just minimize this group. This is Goa, Gujarat and Maharashtra. I name this as a West India. Say group. This is West India. Group. Now I have left with Chhattisgarh, Delhi, MP and Pondicherry. Delhi is a part of North India, so I just drop Delhi to a North India. This is North India. Delhi is a part of North India now. I left with Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra and Pondicherry. Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra. Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra fall to a central India. So I just club them Maharashtra and Chhattisgarh to a central India. Fine. Apply. Group. Apply. Okay. So once I look at to this, I have been done all apart from a Pondicherry. This is small fall again under this part. So this is my West India, North India. I can change the coloring also. Northeast. This is East India. This is Central India. This is a West. Okay. So Pondicherry are still left. So I need to see under which region it fall. You may take the help of the Google also to find out where Pondicherry fall. So deliberately I will show you how to take the help of Google. Pondicherry. If you go to the map, you will, it might be possible that you don't have an idea of where state fall under which part of the country. So deliberately I am doing like this so that you will have a better idea how to do this. You may read this. Once you will read this, you come to know where it is situated. You can see the map also. So this might help you better in understanding what is the actual location of the Pondicherry. Done. So this is your Pondicherry. If I want to add it, I need to add it to the, okay, my Google is bit slow, network congestion. I just want to bit minimize and want to show you the better view. Okay, so this is net is slow. Okay, so you find Pondicherry need to be a part of the, this is a Pondicherry, it need to be the part of the south. So Pondicherry, you may, I was, it's a small place, that is why it's not visible. So Pondicherry, you can add it to a south part. How to do it? Edit, and this is edit group, Pondicherry to be a part of the south. Once you do this, you can minimize, apply, okay. So this is how you can club various states into a smaller part. Thank you very much. This is the purpose of this video, and I hope you able to understand how to do the grouping in Tableau. Thank you very much for viewing this video. You may, okay, you may like this, you may subscribe this, but let me to add one thing more. Let the state group to this place also. If I want to state group to label, now it's also reflecting. Now this is a placement percentage. I want to make it a bit more interesting. So this is, I can click at this label, add aggregate placement. Instead of this, you may write placement. At the end, you may sign a percentage. Apply. Okay. So now this is reflecting in North India. Placement percentage is 65.3. It give a better idea. Thank you for watching this video.